How to sell ebooks and digital products on Facebook Marketplace. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to start selling ebooks or even other types of digital products on your own Facebook Marketplace. Now, as you know, if you're familiar with Facebook Marketplace, this is not similar to any e-commerce platform out there where, for example, Shopify, where someone is ordered, they will be able to check out and then receive the item by the end of the day or when the item is delivered at their doorstep. For Facebook Marketplace, the mechanics or how people do stuff is different. As you can see right now on our screen, we have different products, different types of items displayed on our screen. So for example, we are interested on an item, we're simply going to select it, and instead of buying it now, stuff like that, we will be communicating directly with the seller to allow us to be able to confirm with the different status of the item or even haggle with the price. Like for example, this one costs 90k, we could haggle and ask if we could buy it for 85 or even 80. That's the purpose of the message system. So it's different from your traditional or your usual e-commerce platform. Although Facebook isn't really an e-commerce platform or on a social media platform, but has a marketplace for them to buy and sell different products. Now, to be able to pull off selling ebooks or even other digital products, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to communicate with the customers a lot. You're going to have to utilize the message system and communicate on how you would like to do things. So, assuming we bought this product, when you click on send over here or when the customer sends us a message, of course we will be able to receive that message as a pop-up or a notification for us. And then once you communicate agreement by giving them details about your digital product or your ebook, for example, just create a very simple description of what type of item you're selling, what type of information, what type of learnings they will be able to learn once they bought this product, your ebook product or your digital product. You're basically going to advertise it first through the chat. And once you do settle with the price and once the person pays, you're going to have to ask them to pay first, of course, because if you give them the item, there's a chance that they just don't pay either way. So you're going to have to ask them to pay first through your social media or through social links, maybe PayPal or even a bank account or your local online money handler. And after they of course pay for it, you're now going to just send them the PDF file or whatever file document that you have on that specific item. So for example, there's a lot of different types of digital products over here. As you can see, we have courses, ebooks, photography, music, web elements, research and data tutorials, and other types of digital products. So the type of digital product that you sell depends on your preference, of course. We mentioned that we will be selling ebooks and you could have the other options as well. For example, you would like to sell courses as well. You will be able to sell those by following the instruction that I have told you. Now you could utilize this platform called Canva to create an amazing cover page or a cover photo for that specific product. For example, this is one by one style. So let's go to Canva, click on create design, and go to Instagram post that is a square. Now you could use Canva for anything, not just what we're doing for today's video. And it is absolutely for free. You will be able to do most of what I'm doing without having to inquire for a plan. Anyway, over here on Canva, let's wait for it to load so that we could show you what you could do. Now, let's say I would like to sell a course and later on an ebook. We're also going to show you how you will be able to do this to digital products over here. You can simply apply this to the other types of digital product that you could possibly have. But as you can see here, it's taking a while to load. But anyway, over here, the Facebook Marketplace, you're now then going to click on create new listing by clicking this option over here on the left side. And then you could choose from the listing type. Of course, there's items, vehicles, and home. Now, the most closest item or the most closest type for our product is of course the item. So you're simply going to select that. And after that, you're going to wait for it. And there we go. Now in this section, you're simply going to upload a photo of your either course or your ebook. You could create the promotional photo in Canva like I said earlier. Then after you upload them here, it will appear here as like a preview. And you have your title over here. Let's say our course or ebook is about computers. So let's say Computer Programming 101 for Dummies, something like that. Then you can simply enter the price. Let's say our price for this course is 500. Then the category over here, you have all of these options. And you're simply going to look for the most similar ones. For example, books, movies, and music. Condition is of course new. Then the description over here, simply type in whatever description that you feel comfortable using. Of course, you're going to have to put a very detailed and very contentful description to let your customer know right away what they will be able to get from the digital product that you're trying to sell. Because if someone sees our marketplace item right now, for example, this is the preview, if they just see this, they would think like it's too good to be true or it's too bad to be true, something like that. It's not really attractive and they don't know what they're getting, so most likely they will not be paying for that. So simply enter the amount of description that you think is sufficient for the type of item that you're going to be selling. So I'm going to copy this for now, but you're going to put as much information over here. For example, learn how to code, create a website, something like that. Just put the content that they will be able to get from the book or from the course that you are offering. Then you have your availability over here, simply list it as in stock, and then the location, the product tag, SKU, and this one, it's of course going to be different. You can simply set it up with whatever option that you want. You could select any of this option because either way, it's just online. You're not going to really meet up. You're just going to deliver it either way or send them the message of the PDF or the item right away, either way. And you have this option to either boost it also, then you have your hide from friends over here if you don't want them to see. And if we do created our Canva, right now Canva isn't really working properly, so we can't show that in today's video. But either way, after you create your simple design, just simply put your title page or your cover page if you have one, and this simply upload it over here, and people will be able to see it, of course, because it's going to show up in other people's marketplace, and they will be able to click on message, and then they will be able to inquire about you, about it. Then simply come to an agreement on what you guys want to do, and after that you will be able to sell the item, of course, through an agreement, like for example bank account or bank-to-bank transfer or whatever process you guys want to do. You can even do meet up if ever you do guys want to meet up. You can do cash and have the item be sent to them through Messenger or whatever Telegram, WhatsApp platform that you are using. And after that, you will be able to see the item that you are selling by simply clicking on selling option over here, and you will be able to find it in this area over here, which is very great because you will be able to monitor how many people have clicked on your item and all of those information. And that's it guys, that is how you will be able to sell ebooks and digital products on Facebook Marketplace. Hope you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe.